Welcome to the ultimate guide to transforming your body without any equipment. Imagine a fitness regime that's as versatile as you are. That's the power of bodyweight exercises. These are workouts that harness the weight of your own body to build strength, endurance, and flexibility. You might be wondering, why bodyweight exercises? Well, they're simple yet incredibly effective. They require no equipment, which means you can do them anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, in a hotel room, or even in a park, your workout routine doesn't have to be interrupted. Bodyweight exercises also provide a full body workout, targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This makes them a time-efficient choice for those with busy schedules. But perhaps the most appealing aspect of bodyweight exercises is their adaptability. They can be modified to suit any fitness level, from beginner to advanced. So, are you ready to discover these powerful exercises? Let's jump right in. First up, we have the classic push-up, a comprehensive upper body workout. This timeless exercise is all about simplicity, yet it's incredibly effective at targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously. When you push your body up and down, your biceps, triceps, and deltoids get a good workout. But the benefits don't stop there. Your core muscles, including your abs and lower back, also engage significantly to keep your body straight, while your legs and glutes stabilize your lower body. This makes the push-up a whole-body exercise, even though it's primarily known for enhancing upper body strength. Now, let's talk form. Begin in a high plank position, hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Keep your body as straight as a plank throughout the movement. Push your body back up. That's one push-up. Remember to keep your body straight and engage your core as you lower yourself. Let's move on to the next exercise. Next, we have squats, the king of lower body exercises. Squats are a powerhouse move that work your quadriceps, hamstrings, and the glutes, the three major muscles of your legs. But what's the secret to a successful squat? Well, it's all about form. Start by standing tall, feet hip-width apart. Bend your knees and push your hips back as if you're sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Now here's the key. Aim to lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground. It's like creating a right angle with your legs. Remember, it's not a race. Take your time, do it right. And if you're just starting out, don't stress about depth. As you build strength, you'll be able to squat deeper. Squats are a fantastic way to strengthen your legs and glutes. Keep practicing. And before you know it, you'll be a squat superstar. Now, let's hit the floor and work on our cores with planks. Planks are a fantastic bodyweight exercise that targets your entire core, not just your abs. They're the unsung heroes of body transformation. When performed correctly, they can significantly improve your stability and posture. So how do we do a proper plank? Start in a push-up position, but instead of placing your hands on the floor, rest on your forearms. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your ankles. Engage your core by sucking your belly button into your spine. Hold this position for as long as you can. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold it, but how well you can hold it. It's quality over quantity, folks. One more tip. Don't forget to breathe. It sounds simple, but many people hold their breath during planks, which can cause dizziness. Feel the burn in your abs? That's your core getting stronger. On to the next one. Ready for some cardio? Let's do some jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a classic cardiovascular exercise that we've all probably done at some point in our lives. They're simple but oh so effective. This exercise is all about getting your heart pumping and your body sweating. Here's how it's done. Stand tall with your feet together and your hands at your sides. Now, jump your feet apart and swing your arms up, clapping them together over your head. Then, jump your feet back together and lower your arms. That's one jumping jack. This exercise is a great way to increase your heart rate and improve your cardiovascular fitness. It works your whole body, from your legs to your arms to your core. Plus, it's a fun way to burn calories and shed those extra pounds. So keep jumping and keep those arms swinging. Jumping jacks are a great way to get your heart rate up. Keep the energy high, we're halfway through. Now let's tackle burpees, the ultimate full-body exercise. A powerhouse of a move, burpees combine strength and cardio to give you a workout that packs a punch. They engage every muscle group in your body, from your shoulders down to your calves. Here's how you do it. Start in a standing position, then squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Kick your feet back into a push-up position and drop your chest to the floor. Push your chest back up, pull your feet back under you, and then explode up into a jump. That's one burpee. This exercise is all about speed, but don't sacrifice form for pace. Remember, it's not a race, It's about getting stronger, fitter, and healthier. Burpees are tough, no doubt about it, but they're also incredibly effective for building endurance and strength. Tough, but totally worth it. Now take a breather before we move on to the next exercise. Next, we'll focus on lunges to work those legs and glutes. Lunges are a fantastic way to strengthen your lower body, especially your thighs, glutes, and hamstrings. They also help improve your balance and coordination. Here's how you do them. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a big step forward with one foot, keeping your back straight. Bend both knees until your front knee is directly above your ankle, and your other knee is hovering just off the floor. Then push off your front foot to return to the starting position. Remember, it's crucial to keep your core engaged and your back straight throughout the movement. Also, make sure your front knee doesn't extend past your toes to avoid straining your knee joint. Feel free to start with a small number of reps and gradually increase as you build strength. Great job! Remember, consistency is key. Let's proceed to our next exercise. Time for some mountain climbers. This one's going to get your heart racing. Mountain climbers are a dynamic exercise that combines cardiovascular and muscular endurance. They work the entire body, hitting all the major muscles groups from your head to your toes. Here's how to do it. Start in a high plank position, as if you're about to do a push-up. Bring one knee towards your chest while keeping the other leg extended. Then, switch legs, just like you're climbing a mountain. Make sure to keep your core engaged and your back straight. This exercise is not only a great calorie burner, it also strengthens your core and improves agility, balance, and coordination. The faster you can switch your feet, the more intense the exercise becomes. Remember, it's not about how many you can do, but how well you can do them. So, take your time and do it right. Great job! Only 3 exercises left. Let's keep pushing. Let's return to our cores with some bicycle crunches. This exercise is a fantastic way to target not just your abdominals, but also your obliques, those side muscles that give your waist its shape. To perform a bicycle crunch, start by lying flat on your back with your hands behind your head. Bring your knees in towards your chest and lift your shoulder blades off the ground. Next, straighten your right leg out while simultaneously turning your upper body to the left, bringing your right elbow towards your left knee. Then switch, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee as you extend your left leg. Keep alternating sides in a fluid motion, just like you're pedaling a bicycle. Remember, the key is to focus on the rotation of your torso, not just the movement of your elbows. This exercise is all about control and precision, not speed. Feeling the burn? That's a sign of progress. Let's move on. Up next, we have Tricep Dips, a killer upper body exercise. This powerful workout targets your triceps, but it also engages your shoulders, chest, and lower back. So you're not only toning those arms, but also building strength across your upper body. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of this exercise. Start by sitting on the edge of a sturdy chair or bench, hands gripping the edge. Walk your feet forward and lower your body down in front of the chair. Your arms should be at about a 90-degree angle, then push back up, extending your arms and using your triceps to lift your body. Remember, it's all about control and stability here. Don't rush the movement. Focus on the contraction and extension of your triceps. Feel that burn? That's your muscles saying thank you. Excellent work. We're almost at the finish line. Let's go to our final exercise. Last but not least, let's finish strong with high knees. This exercise is a real game changer. It's a high-intensity cardio workout that not only gets your heart pumping, but also targets multiple muscle groups at once. Imagine you're running on the spot, but with a twist. Instead of keeping your legs straight, you're lifting your knees to hip level or higher. Breathe in rhythm with your movements. Exhale as you lift each knee. This helps engage your core and maintain balance. The beauty of high knees lies in its simplicity and versatility. You can do it virtually anywhere, anytime. It's a fantastic way to shake off lethargy and get your energy soaring. The high knees exercise is a potent fat burner too. It ramps up your metabolism, helping you burn calories long after you've finished working out. So, are you ready to challenge yourself? Congratulations on completing the workout. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. So there you have it, 10 powerful exercises that can transform your body without any equipment. Remember, the secret isn't just in the exercises themselves, but in the consistency with which you perform them. It's about making a commitment to yourself, to your health, and to your well-being. Proper form is also pivotal. It's not about how many reps you can do, but how well you do each one. Quality always trumps quantity. And let's not forget nutrition. Fueling your body with the right foods can amplify your results and recovery. Lastly, don't be afraid to mix things up. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine and feel free to get creative. Your fitness journey is unique to you, and these exercises are just tools to help you along the way. Don't forget to share your progress with us in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, stay active and healthy.